Alright, today at Honu Clean, we're cleaning upholstery. Not the upholstery inside your house, we're cleaning the upholstery inside the car. That's right, we can clean upholstery inside your car. So messes like this, stains like this, upholstery inside cars is very resilient. It really cleans very well. So we're gonna take you through a little video of us cleaning this car, and you can see the results we get right now, right here. Here we go. So we're finished with this vehicle here. It does have a little bit of staining in here, but overall it did brighten up quite a bit and removed a lot of soil. So we do have the peace of mind that it's clean now. The customer's happy, and we'll see you at the next job.